We go easy the first 10 to 15 minutes because there's gonna be people here. Sí, pero caminando está más canijo. The mini bike. It's very fun, really. That many APA. We are almost complete. There's only one guy missing the ride today. He went to Mexico. Probably you recognize this place from another scooter rides I did. I did with the Yo-Yo S10S and the Yumi. Recently, is no more Yumi. Today, I don't want to cut too much of the video. It's gonna be a long video. It's gonna just the first part will be all the way to the top of the mountain. After the break, we are gonna do the second part, or I'm gonna do the second part, complete ride. Don't cut anything. Oh, doggy, she's scared. He's coming. The other guy is coming, so let's go. The 50% guy. Remember, he was very nervous about the bike, the battery. The first time we did the same route. Another doggy doesn't look so friendly. Today is no, está muy no, probablemente sí, pero allá al principio está bien feo, está bien empinado. Pues vamos. Let's go. Okay, so Now it's less people, but because it's the summertime, they start early. Many people do the hiking on the all the way to the bench, and then they go back. We need to be careful because there's still these people here. And then come back to the little talk about the scooter. So looks like it's almost like all people want just riding bikes. Even on that ride, the channel or the guy, he's calling the electric scooter academy, and then he's not looks like he's not driving that much the scooter too. It's gonna be a surprise. So this is the only one. This is the only thing I can say. It's gonna be a surprise with that scooter. The view is very nice, really. I invite a few friends to do the off-road ride. They didn't have a chance to participate today or do the ride, but it's fine. If I don't say nothing to nobody about the ride, my plan was doing this ride early morning, like they start at 7 and end the ride like at 10, something like that. They're coming. Another friendly rider Wow, windy. Nice. Ooh. The famous bench. Ooh. Quedó. Ya 50. Apenas ahí va. 89. También acá es. No, hombre. No, aquí no. Acá está haciendo más aire que abajo. Ahí viene otro.
Cuidado con esos que van en chinga para abajo.
Sí, porque esos no se paran tanto. Ni modo, ya sería el colmo. Vamos, entonces, denle. Vamos. So here is the view. Nice view. We are almost on the top of the mountain. After the bench is not too far. What was that? Nice. It's windy here. Over there looks like is the fire station. Where is the antenna? But you didn't know. But he removed the pedal on the Frigo. I use the Frigo, I think one time only, and then really it's kind of, you can lose your balance very easy in the pedal. Yeah, that one was the antenna for the is the antenna next to the fire station. The other guy is gone. Very far from us. Really? Let's go stay a little back because the music, they are going to restrict my video. Wow. Wow. It's windy here. Nice. What I say nice because I'm supposed to be, it's gonna be hot today. And then, wow, it's getting warm. But if it's windy, it's gonna be perfect for me. Woo. Now we are going a little fast. It's fine, we know the area.
¿Cambio?
Simón.
Está prendida. Más cuidado con el throttle.
Hey. How? Again, the music. He's going to cut the music if I'm not close to him. Yeah. Looks like you don't need to have buy the expensive bike, $2,000, $3,000 to have fun. This mini bike they call iPad. That's really nice. Check this out. I feel more comfortable. ¿Qué se cayó?
Ahorita vas en la una.
Pues está de bajada, está bien.
Para que sientas el short.
Está de bajada, ¿para qué le doy más?
No, para que sientas el short. Si te da más torque en el
Oh, no, sí, pues sí. Pero así con esa se hace.
Oye, se cayó eso.
Vámonos, pues.
Se siente como un monstruo bien alto.
Se siente.
Y esa es una pinche bota de juguete, ¿ah?
Sí, pues ahí va así.
No, este grip no está bien puesto, so cuidado con eso.
No, sí miré.
Sí, es que no, necesito el pinche pressure gun para ponerlo con el aire.
Ahí está. Vámonos. He dropped one of the night reflector, but looks like it no do nothing because it's on the fender. Well, yeah, I think they call fender. Mini bikes are fun, really. Oh, se le cayó la placa.
Y apenas se le cayó. Hay que ir a buscarla. En los bomberos aquí cuando subimos todavía la tenía.
Oh, entonces fue aquí nomás.
Se le cayó.
Dale con esta si quieres a buscarla. Ahí te esperamos, ya estamos aquí. Se le cayó la, ok. De... The plate. Recently he installed the register plate on this bike. So he noticed it's gone. He went there. Probably he found it. Really, I didn't go back with him because this bike, we are testing the battery range. You can hear the noise is coming from the chain or from where? I don't need more torque.
Dale, güey, voy a poner el 3, pon el 3.
Para arriba, en el 3.
Ni en el 1. I don't know. Doesn't look too difficult. I don't know. No. It's fine. Wow.
Ese metido está para los pinches rectos allá con los morrillos, ¿ah?
¿Sí?
Ese hoyo yo lo hice ahí.
¿Cuál?
Ese.
¿Y eso?
Porque no pude subir, nomás llegué hasta la mitad. Y me caí.
¿Sí?
Nomás se caí en lo blandito.
Lo
Como
bueno.
No se azotó. Ay,
luego,
qué
luego
barbazo.
No, no cayó uno recio, está bien bajita.
Oh, con esta.
Sí, con esa subió.
Oh, yo pensé que con la tuya.
Y el pollo sí subió.
Sí, sí lo miré. Pero hay que disfrutar, no hay que darnos un golpe.
Síganme invitando. ¡Ey!
Let's wait a little bit and then we continue.